smile lines. Do these, make your hands like this. Hi guys, hope you're having a great day. Sooeylife here. I am 53 and I am sharing anti-aging tips and face massages with you guys. The massages I'm showing you are the ones that I've been doing and I know they really work. Aging cannot be stopped, no, but we can slow it down. Yes, we can. Every week, there's a different massage on my channel. Do this with me every week to take care of the whole face and to look younger. Every week, do this with me. Today, I'm going to do a face massage that's a gentle evening face massage. That's for 5 minutes to take care of the whole face. It's very gentle, yet it really works to take care of the smile lines, eye wrinkles, and forehead. These days, we are really busy, and in the evening, take your time to take care of your face. It really works. Do this with me. If you watch my video, leave a comment down below. I'm always happy to hear from you. If you want to get extra anti-aging tips, join the membership. The link is down below. Are you ready to look younger? Let's get started. First, rub your hands together for 10 to 20 seconds. Next, make your hands like this. Do this 10 times. Next, switch the side. Next, make your hands like this, right here, all the way up. Just do this 10 times. Next, switch the side, same way, right here. Next, make your hands like this, and this hand this way, so from the middle. Let's do this 10 times. Next, switch the side, same way. Next, make your hands like this. Do these 10 times. Next, make your hands like this, and right here. Just do these 10 times. Next, make your hands like this. Right here.